Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and in today's video I would like to share with you card samples for Dianna Marcum stamps for month of August. They are so beautiful. It's a tea themed party stamp. So let's get started. So this is the first large stamp. This stamp is in pre-order because there is a stamp here. It's a defect stamp. They are fixing it now, so it's in a pre-order. So beautiful. Let me show you the card I created for this stamp. So I created this panel. I stamped the hard daisies. Please focus. And I used this flower border, and I stamped it all around my card. And I stamped the sentiment: if friends were flowers, I would pick you. Then finally I colored them with Copic markers, and I spread some gold watercolors. The second stamp, and this is the main stamp, which is the recipe stamp set. This one called Tea Party Cake. Love it. So this is the card I created using the main recipe stamp set. So for the background, I used this die. It's called Mini Months die by Concord and Ninth. So I created kind of like brick wall or something. Then for the doily, I used this die by Paper Tray Ink called Delicate Doilies. It has 3 dies. And for the papers, I believe these paper by Simple Stories was part of a kit by Simon Says Stamp, but again, I don't know what's the name of this paper. That's for the recipe stamp set. Also, I made this card, but this card I just used HelloFresh. We just received our boxes from HelloFresh. But anyway, this is Hello Bluebird. I made this card. So I stamped the recipe inside the card. Focus, please. Yeah. And for the panel, I used this die by Concord and Ninth. I'm not sure if it has a name. Simply You dies. This is the die by Concord and Ninth. This stamp set has this stacked mugs, another mug, and 2 mugs here. Tea for 2. Here is the card. Again, I used, come on, why don't you focus? Okay, so I used this die by, it's a doily die too by Anna Griffin, it's this one. Okay, and this die for the backgrounds by Greenery, and this one called Patchwork Die. And for the paper, again, it's by this paper by Simple Story. That's it, yeah. Then I just fussy cut my stamped images. I love this card, I don't know, I love this pink and brown together. Okay, we have another stamp set. This large stamp set. Love it. You are invited to the tea party. I'm going to link everything in the description box below, and I made an art journal. I think I have a mini tutorial or a short tutorial for how I made this art journal page. So I have, this is the main, the teapot, the cup, and this is a ginger stamp also by Dianna Marcum, but this is from the last year, and I'm not sure if it's available or not. If it's still there, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Last but not least, this is stamp set. It has like a tea bag and a mug and a couple of sentiments. So I used only the mugs, and I used this flower to stamp on the mug, and the 2 gingers also by Dianna, but from last year. So when you open the card, you will see this stamped image, the mug, and I stamped the sentiments, cup of a positive tea, and the 2 legs from the gingers, I put them inside. I learned this trick from a card maker. His name is Rolf. I see that when he cut his, Yeah, his name is Ralph. He used the scraps, he used, you know, whatever he cuts from his main card and put the extra inside. He doesn't, you know, throw them. So I feel that this is a very good trick. You know, don't waste your stamped images. These all the samples I created for all the beautiful Dianna Marcum Adornit stamps. I hope you like them. Please check my de-stash video. Maybe I'm gonna link it here or something. I appreciate if you share it in your community tab or with your crafty friends. I really want to get rid of these boxes so I can do another video or de-stash room too. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.